Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ROI reporting with Google Sheets for investors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Google Sheets in your web browser. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. Title your spreadsheet something descriptive, like ROI reporting. In the first row, label your columns with relevant headings such as investment name, initial investment, current value, and ROI. Under Investment Name, list the names of the investments you want to track. In the Initial Investment column, input the amount of money you originally invested in each asset. Next, under Current Value, enter the present value of each investment. Now, it's time to calculate the return on investment or ROI. In the first cell of the ROI column, enter the formula to calculate ROI. The formula is current value initial investment / initial investment. Press enter to see the calculated ROI for your first investment. To apply this formula to the rest of your investments, click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down. This will copy the formula for each row in your ROI column. You can format the ROI column to display as a percentage for better clarity. To do that, highlight the ROI column, then click on Format in the top menu. Select Number, then Percent. Now, your spreadsheet should clearly display the ROI for each investment as a percentage. Consider adding conditional formatting to the ROI column to visually differentiate between positive and negative returns. Highlight the ROI column again, and click on Format, then Conditional Formatting. Set rules for coloring the cells based on values, like green for positive returns and red for negative ones. Your ROI reporting setup is now complete. You can also share this Google Sheet with other investors by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. This allows them to view or collaborate on the ROI report. Now, you have a functional ROI reporting tool that will help you keep track of your investments effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.